Welcome back to Asben TV. My name is Asben. Today we are going to learn and I will teach you step by step how you are going to use AI to create simple images and bulk videos using AI. It is free. You no pay anything. You will start from minute 1 to minute 30. If it is 1 hour or 10 hours, you can use AI to create these videos. Very simple and free. As you can see on my screen, I've already used ChatGTP to create YouTube thumbnails from my particular videos and the story for everything. So let's start. So for you to create a powerful AI video, a faceless video on YouTube to gain more viewers on YouTube, what you need to do first is that you use ChatGTP to create your script. After creating the script, then you create your image prompt. Then you give the image prompt to the AI to generate the images for you. After that, you convert them into videos. But here today, I will give you a simple trick, and the last one will even help you to do everything as you want it to be. So now let's move on. Since I have already used ChatGTP to create my stories, I will not rush because that one I think you know. So what you do is when you open your ChatGTP like this, you test the ChatGTP and you ask him or you ask it about the story you want to use. If it is story of a girl who was betrayed by her first boyfriend, something like that. So this is what I use. I create a story about Africa, typically in Ghana. Okay, so the story was one day an African hunter named Dapa went into the jungle to hunt for food for his family. Unfortunately, something unexpected happened and he got lost. For 3 days, he wandered through the thick forest, searching for the path that would lead him back home. So this story like this, and I came here and asked the AI, I commanded it to do something for you. So I give the AI this particular chart here, so you can see, create a script for this story based on skins. Okay, image script based on skins. So this is the image script. So he gave me it gave me the image prompt, an African hunter, this and this. So the skin one was the hunter in the jungle, and the skin 2 is to lost for 3 days in the jungle. So what we are going to do now is when the AI create everything or every image for you, the prompt you are going to use it generate the image and everything is done. Now you can come here. So I came to here and I asked the AI again, indicate that all the characters are black people and from Ghana to the original image for the skin. So regenerate the prompt for me please and add it to the above. So now I am prompting the AI to do this image corrections for me. What I did, I wanted to be a black Ghanaian. Listen, it is a black Ghanaian hunter named Dapa walking in a dense Ghanaian jungle. So the AI is going to create a jungle, an image, the characters in the image, everything based on how Ghanaians are. So when I'm talking about the story and a Ghanaian is watching, or any person or anyone from any continent, any country is watching the video, that particular person will feel okay. That particular person will understand the culture of that particular people or the culture of the people I am talking about. So now, this is the ChatGTP side of the game we are going to use. So this is the simplest one and we are done with it. So we are going to use this particular image skins. So what we are going to do is, after getting the image prompt from ChatGTP, you copy it. So you hold on the prompt like this, you drag it down, then you copy, then you go back to Google, then you type in Google Wix AI. Since I have been using it, it will appear here. So you can see here as Wix AI. Okay, so I will tap on my Wix AI, then it will open. Then the first one I will choose Wix Labs Google Fix. You can use laptop to generate these videos, and today I'm here to teach you how to use only mobile phone to do it. So you tap on this Wix AI, from that came, then everything will be all right. So now look here, you create some magic, you click on the enter to. So we are moving and starting from this particular area like this particular one. When you ask the AI to generate the image for you, this is how it's going to look. It will be like a cinematic. It will be like a cinematic image that you are using the right human beings. But this particular story, what I'm going to use it, I want to use images that are cartoons or the image stories that are fantasy. So what I will do first is I don't need this particular image here. This is not what I need. I'm not creating a real story or a real movie. So I will type here and write fantasy cartoon like this. So after that, this is what I will do. I will ask the Wix AI to generate what I need for me, and you will see what will come. So after tapping on it, it is going to generate. So you wait a little bit for the image. One thing is that when you are using AI to do something, you need to take your time, do it one after the other. Don't rush. When you prompt the AI and what you need is not provided, you need to ask the AI to redo it again. So now you can see the images that are here are different, right? They are different from the other ones here. So let's open it like this and zoom in to see what we actually have here. So when you compare this image, you can see this one looks like cartoon, right? So let's go back again and let's open this one too here and zoom it in. So you will see the difference between the images. This one looks like a real hunter, real African hunter from Ghana. So let's go back again. So this is what we are going to do. From the prompt, I will move this one down like this. Oh, sorry. I will move this one down to this side. So now it is giving me what I think I need. So I need something like this image story of this particular image like that. So when I drag it down, you can see. So I want the AI to generate images that look like painted books. That is why I added the fantasy cartoon. So after getting this and I want to download, I can hold on this particular image like this. Then I will start to download and automatically it will download itself. And when it is downloading, everything will appear on top here for you to see that the image is being downloaded. So now what I'm going to do is I can pick this image, then I'll prompt it to do another one for me again. So I can edit it from this side like this. I can edit it from this side like this. And everything will come. So if I think this one is okay for me, I will just type here and these symbols or these features will appear on the image. Then I can click here like this and download the image I am trying. So it is also here, everything is download. So for this particular process, when you get what you need from the Whisk AI, what you are going to do is you go back to the chat GTP like this. You go back to chat GTP like this side. Then you repeat yourself to copy the prompt that you ask the AI to generate for you. You repeat yourself until everything is done. Okay, so now this is what I am using now. These are the image prompts I asked the AI to generate for me. So this is the first one I did, and now I'm going to copy this particular second one. I'll copy from here to this side. Then you click on copy. Then I'll move backwards to the Whisk AI and I'll enter sign in with Google. Sometimes if you don't download the feature on your phone, it is going to waste time and you'll be jumping back and forth like this particular one. Sometimes what I do is I do split my screen into two. So when I copy here, I'll just paste it inside and everything will be done. So I will split my screen for you to understand what I'm trying to do. So this is the phone mode and I prefer the desktop mode sometimes, but let's choose the phone mode for this time and use it. Okay, so I'll prompt in my image and I'll write here fantasy, another one. I'll write here the fantasy cartoon. Then I'll ask the AI to generate the image for me. So now the image is generating, so I can close here and waiting for the image to come. So normally what it does is that when the image is generating, it comes as two. So the first one was talking about a hunter that's went to hunt for food in the bush and got lost for 3 days. So this is the second image, and when I click here, these options will appear. If I want to download, I will tap on top like this one and everything will download for me. Then this one I can type here and wait for the image to download for me again. So this is how we are going to repeat ourselves. And let's go back to the AI again, and I'm going to choose the image prompt 3 like this. Image prompt 3. So we will repeat ourselves this process until everything is done from the image prompt that we decide to use to design this particular story or to create a story. So now I will copy all this prompt and delete the first one I pasted here, and I will now paste this particular one, and I will write this side fantasy again. Fantasy. All right. Fantasy cartoon. I'll type in my fantasy cartoon, then I'll ask the AI to generate the image for me. So this is it. I'll wait for the images. When the images are done, I will download it again. Now, after getting all the images, so this, when the hunter was moving in the bush, like he found a huge tree and wanted to like rest there until the next morning. Later, he saw a lot of things. So this is the story and this is the image. So download again. I'll click on this one and download this particular image again. So after downloading the files, we will repeat ourselves until everything is done. So now let's go back to our AI. So these are the prompts. Since we are done with this one, we are not going to use AI currently for particular this particular time. So what we are going to do, we are going to use Grok to generate the videos. And so after using the chat GPT to generate your script and the image prompts with dialogues, this is the AI we are going to use. After using Whisk AI to generate the images, I will give you the free AI you can use to generate your bulk videos that can replace Grok, because some of the initial or the simplest way people use to generate their videos is using Grok AI. So when you just come to Google, you type in Gwen, GWEN, then you add AI, Gwen AI, then you search. A pop-up will come like Gwen AI, then you tap on it to open the platform for you. So it will open like this, and this is what we have. Okay, we have Ask Gwen. Okay, more to know. So if you haven't logged in, you need to log in to start using this particular AI to generate your videos. And what I normally does is that this is phone mode. When you look at the format like this one is phone mode. So you tap on this particular 3 dots at the right corner here, then you turn it on to this one is phone mode. Then when you tap on it, you turn it on to desktop mode. Okay, so this is what we're going to do. So I'll just type here, try with Gwen, and everything is going to be all right. So you tap on the first image at the top, you are going to chat with Gwen AI. Okay, so when it's open up like this particular blank area, you will see there are certain things here. So let me zoom it in. At the right corner, we have new chat, search for chat, community, new project, and we have jungle adventure fair. So let's come to this particular side here. So here, let me zoom it in. We have where to begin with. This is my name, Asunke Benjamin, and it's simply Asben. All right, so we are going to use it to generate videos. So if you haven't logged in, you will come to the right corner here. You will see this side here. There will be a login, then you sign in. And if you already have account, you sign in. Without having sign, you need to log in to do it. So now what you're going to do is you click on this particular plus sign here. So when you click on the plus sign, when you have an account with this particular Gwen AI, you will see create videos here, and we have create image and deep research. But until you try, until you have the account, that is when the create video work. So when you try to only use it for free without logging in, you will not see the create video or the generation, the format or the part that will help you to generate the video will not appear. So you need to log in first. So after logging in, this is what we are going to do. We have upload attachment. So the attachment is like upload your image, audio, or something that you are going to animate. All right, so we will click on the upload. Then after the generation of our images that we did in the Whisk AI, as I started with you earlier, and you will find we will come here to select our images for this particular video. So I will deal with this particular one. So I will select this one here, then the image will open up. Okay, so you wait for the AI to load. So after that, you prompt the AI to tell the AI what it needs to do with this particular image for you. So this is what I'll ask the AI. Okay, the man, I will start with the man walking in the jungle with fear around the area. Okay, around the area like this one. So after you are done, let's zoom it down. You just tap on this particular blue app line like this. So when you tap on it, this particular AI will work on the image at the first place for you before everything will start. So let me click on it so you can see it is now thinking. Okay, so let me zoom it in. So after sending the image, this is how it is. So I say the image is searching for images and walking in the jungle for fear. I didn't actually give it the right prompt, so it is waiting and doing a different thing for me. Okay, so now let's move backwards again and know what to do. All right, I hope you are still with me here. So let me zoom it in like this. I'll tap on this particular plus sign, then I'll tap here, then generate. I'll load in my image from my files, then I'll choose the picture. Now let me use this particular image here. Okay, so after this, we are going to create a video. So you will click on create video like this, then it will work on this particular image. Since we are going to create the video, I will describe this particular image, what to do. Walking in the jungle with fear around the area. Okay, so now after doing this, I will hit this particular blue symbol here. So now after hitting on it, you will see this blue sign will appear like this in the chart. Okay, do you know why I can zoom it in and zoom it out? Because I am using desktop site. Okay, I click on the desktop site, so I am already using my phone, but I am using it like how do you call it, laptop or something like that. So you see it is loading. This is not the generation of the video. The AI will first work on this particular image. If they are dissolved or blemishes or anything that's you need to take it out from the image, the AI will work on it. So you need to wait a little bit. Okay, when you wait 2 minutes or 3 minutes to generate this video, it is not far more difficult. The image is being loaded and downloaded. The AI will work on the video generation. So this is 5 seconds. Now the video is seen. So let's tap on it and look and see what is going to happen. So it will open for you like this. So now I will zoom it in and tap on the screen to play this video and see. So this is it. So this is the video. Okay, this AI generated the video for me. So I asked it to download, then I'll click on this download, then it will start to download the video straight into my file so that I can use it to generate my videos and everything. So I don't want to waste much time here for you to think that maybe I am using a lot of time to watch this particular video here. What we are going to do is you repeat this process one after the other from 1 to 2. Okay, from 1 to 2 to 3 to 4 up to the last image prompt. After that, you can use your video editor. Okay, you can use your video editor to edit your video when you're going to combine it or spread it over and add your voice cover to it, so everything will be nice. So this particular AI will help you to generate a story. So if you look at how the video is moving slow, you can do this. One hunter from Ghana was walking in the bush and he got lost for 5 years. See, so how you add your generation or the auto-generated voice note to this particular video will make it very nice. So this is how to use when AI to generate videos AI free without paying a pin, because now Grok is asking us to pay. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you can use this particular small space that I just created for you with your mind to generate a lot of videos. So thank you. In my next episode, I will give you more AIs you can use, and I think the last one I'm going to give you in my next episode will shock you, because that one is faster than this particular video. Thank you for your time for watching this video up to this limit. May God be with you. Subscribe to our channel.